guys, it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video I'll be showing you how to make barbecue fish and fries using my recipes. So guys, come along with me. The recipes are cooking oil, garlic and ginger paste, hot pepper paste, hot chili sauce, tilapia fish, potatoes, onion paste, sweet corn, fresh onions, turmeric powder, mint, celery, oregano, black pepper, noodle spice, and lastly beef flavored bouillon cube. Kindly check the description box below for the videos on onion paste, sweet corn, garlic and ginger paste, hot pepper paste, and lastly hot chili sauce. So guys, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to show you how I cut the potatoes. And this is it. I will leave this in water for about 10 minutes with a little salt before frying. Thoroughly washed, a teaspoon of salt, and soak. For the fish, this is to ensure that all the spices goes in properly. So I'm going to show you this. Hot pepper paste, a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, two teaspoons of onion paste, add spices, I didn't add salt because all my paste are salted. Barbecue sauce is ready. allow to sit for about 60 minutes before going into the oven. Parchment paper helps the fish to absorb the juice the more, and it's non-stick compared to aluminum foil. It's 60 minutes. I will fry until it's crispy. The last part is the making of fries sauce. Hot chili sauce, and this is it. This is the result of my recipes for barbecue fish and fries. Yummy. Give this a try at home, and I'll be expecting your feedback. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.